Welcome to this 1 mile indoor leg toner walk. We're going to walk 16 minutes and we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of indoor leg toning. I have 2 risers. Feel free to put another riser on to make it 3 risers. Be sure to click the bell and subscribe in this Get Up and Walk series. It is a complete power walk series and entire body strength training workout system. Below you can look at all the different miles I have in the description below. Be sure to share and subscribe, people. That is the only way I grow. I do all of this for free. So if you like me, find me on Facebook, find me on Instagram, AngieFitnessTV. Get your step bench, 2 or 3 risers, and let's get this 16-minute indoor leg toner walkout in the books. Are you ready? March it right to left. 16-minute power walk with a focus on indoor leg toning. Now, this step bench, it mimics walking upstairs, walking downstairs, walking up curbs, walking down curbs, right? We're not always on an even, elevated surface. Each exercise I do is 1 minute. It's a 16-minute power walk. We're gonna get some leg toning in. Remember, you can have 1, 2, or 3 risers. If you do not have a step bench, don't worry about it. Don't use one. I'm gonna encourage you to invest in a step bench. Wonderful, wonderful piece of equipment. You know, my name is Angie, AngieFitnessTV. Be sure to subscribe and share. Click the bell button so you're always getting my videos in this Get Up and Walk series. Okay, get by your step bench. Right, march it up, up, up. Whole foot on the bench. Whole foot down. Up, down, and down. Now arms are natural. Whole foot comes on the bench. Chest is tall and proud. Right here. Now you walk up and down stairs all the time. This mimics walking up the stairs. You're on that right foot. That right foot is leading. Yeah? Oh man. When you're on 2 risers, your heart rate is going to be really elevated. That's okay. 4, 3, march on the ground, right, left. Now, we're gonna just tap the foot on the bench. Tap it on and off. Tap it on and off. How many times do you pick your foot up to go to the next stair? Pick that foot up. Pick that foot up. 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 Pick that right foot up. Boom. Right foot up and down. Up. Down. Up. Listen, you've got to train your body to work in different ways. You've got to challenge your body to change your body. You have to challenge your body in order to change your body. Yeah? So this is mimicking like you're trying to go up a stair. Up, down. It's like mimicking stair training, people. 4, 3, 2, march it right to left, on the floor, right here, on the floor. Keep that march. Get the knees up. Get those knees up. What we're gonna do, we're gonna step our right foot on the bench, lift the left knee, and come back down. Looks like this. Right foot steps on the bench, left knee lifts. Right here. Let's go, arms. I call them running man arms. Oh yeah, you are definitely doing your leg toning right here. So it's that right foot on your bench. Yeah, you got it. 4, 3, March it on the ground. March. You're gonna tap your toes on the bench. One arm forward, one arm side. Give me that tap. How often do you have to pick up your feet to go over something? Pick up your feet, tap your big toe on the bench. Tap that big toe on the bench. Right here. Big, solid arms. One arm front, one arm side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Yeah. Now you're going to give me a single, single, double tap. Go. Single, single, double tap. Now tap it. Left tap, right tap. 4, 3, 2. March left to right, left to right. I want to march. We're just going to march right here. 1 minute. Big smile on your face. What you do on the right, you are now, wave to me, doing on your left. March, chest tall and proud, shoulders melted away from your ears, your core, nice, solid, and tight. Pick up those knees. So you're doing a standing stationary walk. So you want to pick up the knees. You want big arm movements, big leg movements. Listen to me. Come by your bench. We're going to step that left foot on. Not yet. Your whole foot goes on the bench. You're going to step that left foot on the bench, off the bench. Here we go. So, mimicking, walking upstairs, and then going back down the stair. It is stair training. Right here. Natural arms. I want that whole foot to hit the bench. Whole foot off the bench. Right here. Chest tall and proud. Woo! 2 or 3 risers, man. It's gonna get that heart rate pumped. Gonna jack it up. Big time. You know each exercise? 1 minute. You can do anything for 1 minute, right? Yeah, you can. 4, 3, 2. March left to right on the ground. We're gonna tap, left foot on, and then come down. Here we go, remember? Up, down, left foot, up. But I want that whole foot on the bench, right here. Woo! 1 mile in 16 minutes, using the step bench, mimicking stairs, getting some leg toning in this indoor leg toner walk. Now, anytime you go up the stairs and down the stairs, you work your quads, your glutes, your hamstrings, and your calves. So how could you not tone your legs? It's a 2 for 1. 4 more. 4, 3, smile. 2. March left to right on the floor. Now remember, left foot goes on the bench, right knee. Left foot on the bench, right knee. Get ready. Waves to me, left hand, so you know it's your left foot on. Ready, go. Right here. Left foot on the bench, right knee. We are really toning that left leg. Working on balance as well. Yeah. Woo! Arms, pull back. Looking good. March left to right on the ground. Are you ready? Tap it left or right. Arm front side. Right here. Yeah? Single, single, double tap. March right, left, right, left. All right. We're going to go right lead. Wave to me. We're going to march wide, march in, and step down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Step wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. Down. Step wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Narrow. Down. Take it up wide. Wide. Narrow. Down. One more set. Wide. Narrow. Down. All right, take it up wide. Wide. Take it up wide. Take it up wide. Take it down wide. Come on, let's go. 4, 3. Take it up wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're staying wide. Take it up wide. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Take it down wide. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You got 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Stay wide. 8, 7, 6, 5. Take it in. Tap your heels. Tap your heels. Woo! Catch your breath. Catch your breath. 4, 3. Single, single, double heel. Left to right heels. 4, 3. March left, right. Left, right. March it out. Wide. March it in narrow. March it down. Are you ready? 4, 3. Wide. 4, 3. Same thing on that left side. March 4. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Narrow. 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. In. Down. Again. Wide. Narrow. Down. 2 more sets. 2 more sets. Wide. Narrow. Down. 1 more. Wide. Narrow. Down. Now walk it up wide, down wide. 4, 3, 2. Walk it down wide. 4, 3, 2. Walk it up, left lead. So it's always your left foot that goes up. Use those arms. Here we go. Hup. Walk it wide. Left foot goes up. Left foot goes down. You're almost done. What do you think? Woo! Just simply by walking up the 2 risers or 3 risers, you're getting that indoor leg toning along with the power mile walk. You're getting a 2-for-1, people. 2 more. 2 more. Down. March left to right. Take it in. You got it. Now give me heel taps. Left heel, right heel. Right here. Come on, give me those heels. 4, 3. I got to get you back on that right. Give me a single, single, double heel. March right to left. Right here. We're going to leave our right foot on the bench. We're going to just go into hip extension. Watch me while I march. Up. Up. Come with me. Up. So, you lift that right leg. Hip extension. Take your arms. Crown of your head. Up. Lift. Knee. Up. Knee. Indoor leg toning. Using that step bench. Listen to me. 4 more and we're going to switch. 4, 3, 2, step down, switch, up, up. We got to hit that other side. Let's go. Yes. Right hip extension, left knee hip flexion. Right hip extension, left knee flexion. March, right to left, right here. Catch your breath. Come on to the side, tap up and down. Here we go. Tap up and down, tap up and down. You're at the end. So I want to really lift. I want to work your glutes. Gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, arms. Right here. Side tap. 4 more, 4 more, 4. 3. You're going to walk on your bench. Walk on your bench. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Down and up. Here we go. Down. All I'm doing is that other side. Our 1 16-minute mile is about done. So I got to even us out. Listen, top right corner. If you want to walk another mile, click this again, or go to one of my other 1 mile power walks. They are all completely different. Some are interval, some are big arm based, some are 360-degree movement based. So the power walks are all different. March, I don't care. Deep breath in. So you're gonna go to my next mile, or you're gonna go to a cool down and stretch, which I will have linked below. Cool down and stretch, or hit your next mile. Angie Fitness TV, let me know your count, heart rate zone. See you for our next 1 mile power walk.